So I also bought some Uniswap today. Looking at the chart, we can see that if you were to buy Uniswap around these levels, you have the opportunity to make 55 to 70% return on your investment, right? If you were to buy it around $17.35, right? So the RSI is 34, so it's close to that 30 mark, right? So we know that when RSI begins to trend downwards towards 30, it is in an oversold state, right? That's where we want to be buying, as I said before. Our price target is going to be the previous high of $27, right? So I'm going to hold it, although I'm buying at this level, I'm going to hold it until it returns to that previous high of $27, and then I'll think about taking some profits, right? So there's also a second price target of $30. That's if price gets above this resistance level at $27, right? It may like take a little bit of dip as people begin to take profits, but it has potential to return back to $30, right? So that's why I have the second price target here. Our levels of support is going to be, the first one's going to be $16. So under $17.35, the first level of support is around $16. That means that if price begins to or continues to fall, it'll most likely settle around this $16 level as it did before. This is back in July. Price began to fall, and then it settled around like $16 and begin to go back up. If it falls below $16, it's most likely going to go to around $14, and it'll most likely quickly come back up, or it'll settle around this level also, as it did here in the end of June, and then at the end of July, price dip all the way down to 14, and the same day, same trading day, you see it came back up, right? Same trading day, it came back up. Same thing that it did here, right? Price fell all the way down to $14 today, and then it came back up within the same trading day. So that's really it. That's my analysis on Uniswap, right? The MACD started to trend towards the upside, and the price began to follow as it began to reverse to the upside, and then the market as a whole kind of brought everything down, including Uniswap, into this deep dive in price. So, but that's good because I got a big discount on this today, and you can also, right? So if you buy at these levels, you have an opportunity for a 55 to 70% return on your investment if you just hold and wait to price returns to previous high of $27 or $30. Last thing I want to say is that there'll most likely be some resistance at this $22 to $23 level, right? We can see back in July or June that price was at this same level that it's at right now, like around $16, $17, and then it began to increase, and then it had some resistance at around $22 to $23, and then it fell again, and then it began to rise all the way up to $30. So if this does happen, I'm not going to sell it at around $23, right? That's not my price target. I'll just wait, and it'll most likely do the same thing. It'll fall back down, and then it'll rise back up to my price target where I'm comfortable with taking profit.